Your next US passport may look different, and here's why it matters. The United States has officially confirmed plans to introduce a redesigned passport beginning in 2028. According to the Federal Register, the U.S. State Department will replace the current passport booklet formats with a single standardized version containing 38 pages. Today, applicants can receive either a 26-page or 50-page next-generation passport, but both versions will be phased out when the new series launches. Emergency passports will remain unchanged with 12 pages. Officials say the new 38-page design will simplify production, improve printing efficiency, reduce waste, and provide more visa pages than the current standard 26-page passport. A feasibility study completed in 2024 concluded that using one passport format would streamline operations and make passport production more efficient nationwide. If the proposal moves forward as planned, all newly issued regular U.S. passports beginning in 2028 will follow the new standardized 38-page format. Existing valid passports will continue to remain valid until their expiration dates, and travelers will not need to replace them immediately because of the redesign. The new passport is intended to modernize the system while making international travel documentation more efficient for future applicants.